Happy birthday. Michael, you get in it. Let me do it.
Okay, you can videotape it.
Yeah.
You can just hold it there.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Sing it.
All right.
This is a catastrophe.
Catastrophe. Ready?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Amy, cha-cha-cha.
Very
Sing
good.
and go. No. Oh, Martin.
Uh-oh.
Now you gotta light it again so she can do it again. Hold it. I'll do it.
It's hard.
It's hard. It's supposed to be hard.
Now let Amy...
Now Amy's gonna... No. Okay, Amy, make a wish. Make a wish. Thank you.
Oh, you already made my wish.
Make a wish. You got a wish?
She's making a wish.
I want a mansion.
There
you go. Wait, very good. How do you turn this off now?
I'll do it. Thanks.
Okay.
What do you say, Amy? How old are you today?
I want a mansion.
How old are you today?
I'm 8.
You're 8 years old.
8.
Double 8. I love you.